Welcome student. Today I am going to explain you the part A experiment. The part A experiment is a simulation part. So in the computer networking lab we need to transfer the data. So here network simulator are we need. So we are choosing NC-Tunes. NC-Tunes is open source, high quality and support many types of a network. The NC-Tunes is a high fidelity and extensible network simulator as well as a emulator. And it was invited by SY Wang at National Chiaotong University. So the name itself NC-Tunes. NC-Tunes is nothing but National Chiaotong University. So to this simulator I want to get the output means these steps I need to follow here. First I need to draw the topology, edit the properties network component and run the simulation and packet animation player. Like this I want to do the following step. After getting this, before going for the steps, I need a 3 terminals. First is a dispatcher terminal, coordinator terminal and NC-Tunes client. While transferring the data from one source to our destination, so I require transport agent. Here we are going to use 2 types of a transport agent. One is a TCP agent, another is a UDP agent. If I use a TCP agent, this is a command I am going to use here for the simulator. If I use a UDP, I am going to use this command. Here is TCP minus P, this is a port address, L is a length for data what I am sending, and this is a destination IP address. Like this I want to do. Let me start. Okay, this is your first experiment. In the first experiment, it tells that implement a point-to-point network with 4 nodes and duplex link between them. Analyze the network performance by setting the queue size and varying the band. Here, first I need to create this topology. After creating the topology, I need to send the data from sender 1 to receiver, sender 2 to receiver. I can use the TCP agent or UDP agent. In the first experiment, for easy case, we will move for TCP agent itself. So if I use the TCP agent, this is the command I am going to use. Using this command, I am going to transfer the data. So after getting this topology and I have given the command, everything I have done once, so I will get the output like this. This is the suspected result. So the bandwidth I am considering here. So initially, defaultly it have the bandwidth as a 10. After getting that, so throughput I am just calculating here. Node 1 and node 2 I am just taking. Node 3 also I need to take like this. See, like this. Node 1, node 2, node 3. Like this I want to tab. So next step is what? For the same result I need to change the bandwidth as a 8 and again I need to tab out the result like this. Let me do that. Let me start the first experiment. What it does, I want to implement point-to-point network with 4 nodes. So how you have to go for that one? See, for that I want, see, this is a NC-Tunes I am using. It will work on the Fedora. Okay, this is a Linux program. We are using the NC-Tunes, that is a network simulator. Okay, it will work on the Fedora OS. Okay, I am just clicking on the NC-Tunes. Have to wait. The window will be appear. Just wait. We are working on Fedora 12. Now it's open. Fedora Release 12. So I want to choose the KIT here. So it will ask the password. The password also we have given as KIT. Okay, go for enter or login. It will open like this. Wait, the NC-Tunes main window is going to open. The steps we need to follow. What I told to start the NC-Tunes. First, I require the 3 terminal. So you can see here, this is the terminal. I will just click on it. otherwise you can choose this. Okay, it will open. So here you have to fill the first the username. Username is yes you. Enter. It will ask the password. Password we have given as KIT123. Understanding? It won't visible. It is we are making as a it is a visible. We can't visible that. Okay, I have typed. So you get the hash symbol like this. After that you have to type bash. Enter. SOURCE source space backspace USR space local space and then NC tons backspace ETC backspace NC tons dash dot BASH bash. So you need to copy this because I want to get the 3 terminal. For 3 terminal we are using the same root location. This is a root location we are using. So I require this. I'm just copying this one. I'm just copying. After copying I will put enter. Okay, next same thing. What I want to do means I will go for this. Here I don't require source, everything should be same, and then I will delete this up to NC tons. Okay, after NC tons go for bin backslash. Okay, first window I am taking what is the dispatcher, DISPATCHER dispatcher. Okay, just go for enter. You will get like this. Fine, just minimize this, open one more terminal. It already opened, so I open that. Again same thing, SU enter KIT123 enter BASH bash enter. I have copied the thing. I'm just pasting that. Same thing I need to copy. Enter. Same thing here. Go for home here. Delete this, and then this is doesn't require. Go for N, and then here up to NC tons I require. Go for bin backspace. What is that? Coordinator window and opening. Okay, go for OK. It will get OK, means the dispatcher and coordinator both are related with each other. Next is one more terminal I require. I'm just going to for that. SU enter KIT123 enter. So I'm copying the same thing here. It is paste. Enter. Same thing I'm taking. I'm just modifying this. Okay, and up to NC tons I'm just deleting this one. So it is bin backspace and then NC tons CLIENT client window is going to open now. So like this the main window is going to appear. So I minimize this. One more terminal I require for displaying the result purpose. So again I will go SU enter KIT123 enter. Here IP tables space minus capital F. It will display the result figure. Okay, go for enter. Minimize this. Go for the main window of the NC tons. Now first, for the first experiment I need to draw the topology. The 4 node I require. For that one I will take the host, that is a computer I am taking. You can see the so many icon present here. I am just taking the host computer. So first computer I am taking 4 nodes I need to create. 3 system I am taking. I can't directly interconnect the system, so I require the connector for this. So here the hub is enough for here. Okay, I have a switch, router, everything I have. Hub is enough because there's just 3 systems we have. So taking the hub, okay, I need to connect this one. So you can see here you have a point to point link. I will take this. I am connecting 1 to 4, 2 to 4 and 3 to 4. Once I have connected like this, I can give the name for systems. Okay, let us give the name. This one A, just click on here. I will give this as a sender 1. Okay, I am just making it okay. Here also it is sender 2. I am just making okay for this. Next one, this is receiver. Okay, here also I can give a name. This is a hub. Next is I want to edit this. First I have created the topology. After creating the topology, go for edit property, because I want to generate the IP address. So okay, I will give a name. None1 I am just choosing because I have given so many names, so I am just giving none1. So I am just saving that. Once I have saved that one, means IP address is going to generate. You can see here, if I put the cursor on that dotted one, you will get the IP address. It has the port 1, port ID 1.0.1.1 is your IP address of first system. The second system is 1.0.1.2. The third system is 1.0.1.3. Okay, after getting this, next I want to create the transport agent for this. For that one, just double click on the system. Okay, go for add. I am using 2 systems, so I will divide the time and I will just go for 0 to 50 is enough for us. So command I need to give. Command is stcp space -p space 7000 space -l space 1024 space 1.0.1.3. Okay, STCP tells that it is a sender TCP protocol of a port address. P is nothing but port address 7000 of a length -l, that is 1024, 1 kilobyte. Of the sender, this is a sender IP address, that is what 1.0.1.3. Go for OK. Go for node editor. Here MAC address, IP address I have taken and I have selected everything. Next I want to give a MAC address for transportation purpose. This is a MAC address. I am choosing block packet statistic. Here just I am calculating the throughput of outgoing packets, because I am sending this one, so I need to click on the outgoing packets. And one more thing you have to observe, the transmission mode should be a full duplex. Go for OK. Okay, here also go for OK and here also OK. Okay, go for sender 2. Same thing you need to have, that is 0, not 0, it is 50 to 100, and I want to give a command, that is stcp space -p space 8000. I am changing the port address. There 7000, here 8000 -l 1024 space 1.0.1.3. Okay, go for OK. Node editor, MAC address I want to give, so block packet statistics, enable that, and this is also throughput of outgoing packet. Go for OK. And this is also OK, and this is also OK. After this I want to add the receiver part. So go for click on the receiver, add here 0 to 100. Here it is RTCP space -p space. First one is 7000 space -l space 1024. Okay, because it is a receiver, no need to write the IP address for this. Go for OK. One more, because we have 2 sender. One more path I need. Again I am going to add the same thing, same type. TCP space minus P space. This is 8000. So that is we have given minus L space 102. Okay. After this, go for OK. Go for mode editor. MAC address I want to choose. So enable the LogPacket statistics. It is what? Incoming packets. Go for OK. And here also OK. And this is also OK. Now I have selected the transportation path for this. Once the IP address is generated, transportation path is given, go for run. Okay, after that, go for simulation, go for run here. You just observe in the dispatcher window, the data is transferring. If it is, we are getting the data is transferring in the dispatcher, it tells that your route you have done correct way and your program is running properly. One time is 30 seconds, up to 100 seconds it's completed, something it is completed. Here also it's going to show, but now it's not showing. It's okay. Up to 100 we have to wait. Don't stop anything here. See here in the dispatcher window I am checking. Up to 100 I won't do anything. I will wait for that. Don't stop the thing here. It will corrupt it. So up to 100 seconds you need to wait for it. After completion, complete transfer of data, you need to quit. Completed, minimize this, go for simulation and go for stop. Okay, fine, okay. Here also file transfer are done, fine, okay. See, the red bar will appear here. It tells that your data is completely transmitted. I want to show this data for this, how it's transferred means I want to play back this. You have an option here. Playback, you can click here, otherwise go for your play. See, you may observe the lines here, right? From 1 to 3 you have yellow line, from 2 to 3 also you have yellow line. From 1 to 3 you don't have direct connection, from 1 to 4 it reaches and then 3. So yellow line indicates the connection establishment, and you may observe from 1 to 3 you have a blue line. Blue line indicates that the data is transferring from sender 1 to receiver. Okay, red line indicates that the sender 2 not sending anything yet, because we have given the time slot. For sender 1 we have given 0 to 50. For sender 2 50 to 100. Up to 50 sender 1 is sending. After 50 sender 2 is going to send. You may observe here 48 up to 50. See, the red line will appear at the sender 1, the blue line will appear across sender 2. So once like this, if you get means you have got the output. It's very easy. Then you have to follow the steps. That's it. So you may stop this. We have to analyze the result. For that one, what I am going to do is I want to minimize this. Sorry, I want to minimize this. See, you have KIT home. You just click on here. See, what's the name I have given? That is none 1 I have given. See, you may observe none 1 results you have here. So you have 3 things, that is sender 1, sender 2, sender 3 result what you have sent. Don't think we have created nothing. What the system it will take some data here, it will only transfer. See, it 1 transferring 110, 809, 713 like that. So many things have been transmitted. Up to 50, 51, 52 it is transferring. After that you are getting the 0. Okay, same thing you just go for N2. Here also see, we have given the time slot for the sender 2 is 0 to 50. Sorry, 50 to 100. See, up to 50 you are getting 0. After 51 your data is transferring. Okay, next is same thing you will get in N3. N3 is a receiver. So receiver should get from sender 1, sender 2. Sender 1, 1 to 50, 50 to 100. Both the things you are getting here. Observe like this. Like this you have to analyze the data. Here 4 to 5 values you need to take here. And one more thing you have to observe here, you just observe N2. I'm just observing the N2. N2, you just see what you have at 51, 403. Observe in N3, 51 you have 403, 51 you have 570. Why? Because means see across the N1 also you have a data 51. Observe. See across the 51 you have 119. So this 119 and this 119 plus 403 you will get at N3 as what? 570. Like this it's going to add the thing. Understood? Why I showed that one means someone will confuse N2 having 300 something, but N3 I am getting as a 517. Don't confuse over that, because at 51 slot N1 also sending, N2 also sending. Both will get add and it will collect at N3. Got this one? Like this we have to tabulate the things. Okay, this is about the result. Okay, understood? So you just quit this result. Result is enough for us. Next we go for NC curves. See one more type also you can analyze the things here. Go for G tools. Plotting the graph also you can analyze. Plot the graph here. Okay. Go for 5. Open. Here I have given the name as what? None. Check for that. None result. None one result. Go for it. Open. So you will get this. Go for open. You will get the results like this. You can get it. Go for G tools. Plot. Sorry. Go for 5. New. This is second graph I new. Here 5. Open. You have N2 here. Just open. You are not getting anything. Don't bother of that, because we have given the time slot here. Just observe the X time slot is given as 0 to 4. I will change that. Go for option, general setting. Here I will give this as a 100. Okay. You can change the name, everything you can do here. But for our time's sake, I am just moving fast. That's it. Okay, go for G tools. Again plot the graph. Sorry, go for 5. New. Go for the last graph. Here also 5. Open project. Go for the last one. Open it. You will get like this. Go for option, general settings. Here go for 100. For 100 and see, you will get the result. Here also you can go for option, general settings. Go for at least 50. 50. Go for OK. See, this is a first window, this is a second window, and this is a third window. Sorry, this is second window. Okay, this is a first window. Both comparing this, you will get this result. Okay, you can show like this also. Understood this one? This is about the first experiment. Okay, just okay. After this, go for edit here. We need to change the bandwidth and we have to see the result. For changing the bandwidth, just click on here. Go for 8. 8. Here also it's 8. 8. Go for OK. Here also double click on it. Go for 8. Sorry. 8. Here also go for 8. OK. And here also just go for 8. Go for OK. Fine. After doing this, go for run. Yes. Okay. Simulation 1. will get sometime it will disappear because very low bandwidth, no, it will move somewhere. Okay, it's enough. Up to now if you do means it's enough.